Very good morning, students. So, today we will do another portion of grammar, that is editing. Okay, which carries editing carries 4 marks in your question paper. Okay, and first of all, what is editing? Editing means to do correction. Okay, to make certain changes in the given passage or given lines to make it correct. Okay, so editing means to do correction. Okay, so it comes in two ways. First is error correction, and second, missing word or omission. Okay, so what we do in error correction, there is an error in each line of the given passage. Okay, there is an error in each line, and we have to find out the right word in that place. Okay, and in the given blanks, we have to write down first the error or the incorrect word in that particular line. Then we have to supply the correct word that should replace that incorrect word. Okay, that is error correction. And in second way, there is a word missing in each line of the given passage. There is a word omitted. There is an omission in the each line of the passage, and we have to find out that missing word. Okay, and today we will do error correction. Which editing? Error correction. So here a passage is given and two blanks are given in front of the passage. Okay, so we have to make space here for writing the incorrect word and the correct word. Okay, so we can note down the passage in such way. Okay, for each line of the passage I have given two lines. Okay, because if I continue same line writing over here, I could not have find the space for writing these two blanks. So I have given two lines for the first line. For example, I have noted down this line from here. Here it starts with my and ends with morning. Okay, and I have given it two lines space for my clarification. Okay, so that there is no confusion. Okay, so in each line there is an error. Okay, the wrong word. I have to find out the wrong word and write it here, and the correct word I will write it here. Okay, so what type of mistakes could be there? It could be the error of an article in the supply of article, like and the in the supply of conjunctions like and, but, or in the supply of prepositions, any preposition, it may be at, in, of, from, under, by. Okay, and it may be in the form of tenses, form of verb. Okay, or in any other way. We have to find the mistake. Okay, so here I start reading the passage. My day begins on 5 o'clock in the morning, and in the given line there is one mistake in the one given line. Okay, that's why we should never mix up the lines. Okay, so because it otherwise it would create a mess. Okay, so here is one mistake. Where could be the mistake? Have you found out the mistake? My day begins on 5 o'clock. So mistake lies here, on. With the time we never write on. With the time we write at. Okay, so here The incorrect word is on and our correction is at. On comes with date, at comes with time, and in comes with month. Okay, at 5 o'clock. It should be at 5 o'clock. So we have find out the error. Error is on. Incorrect word is on and the correct word is at. Okay, coming to next line. It has been so since the last 40 years. It has been so since the last 40 years. Okay, so what is the mistake here? Here the mistake is in the use of since. Okay, in the place of since we have to use for. Okay, what is the correction here? Since and for. So in the second line, the mistake is since and the right word is for, and this is used in the perfect continuous tenses. Okay, and they denote time. Like since, where we use since when some point of time is given, like since morning, since evening, since 1947, since 15th February. Okay, when some particular time is given. Okay, with morning, evening we also use since. With some date we use since. Okay, with some given year, like in 1948, we will use since. And where do we use for? For is used with some period of time, like in here, for the last 40 years. 40 years is a period of time. For the last 2 months, 2 months is a period of time. Last 3 hours, 3 hours is a period of time. Okay, for 5 weeks, 5 weeks is a period of time. Okay, where 5, 6, 40, 70 years, weeks, days. Okay, so some period is given, that is we use for here. Okay, so here since is the wrong word. Since is used only with morning, evening, with some given year, or with some given date, with some point of time. So third line, except for the 2 years which I was very ill. Except for the 2 years which I was very ill. So mistake you can find out very easily is of which. So here we should supply when. Okay, when I was very ill. When I was very ill. Okay, so the joining word is wrong here. So then I wake up at the sound of an aeroplane. So where lies mistake here? Okay, here the mistake of tense is there, because right now we were talking last 40 years except for the 2 years when I was very ill. अभी अब हम पास्ट की बात कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. ठीक है, तो in past we always use second form of verb. So mistake is wake up. Okay, here we will not use first form of verb. Here we will use second form of verb. Okay, wake, the right word is work. Okay, so in this way it is very easy to find out the mistakes or find out the errors, and by doing some practice you can very easily do this. Okay, coming to next passage. Education is a process which was deemed to develop desirable qualities with people. Okay, education is a process which was deemed to. In the first line, what is the mistake? Is जनरल प्रेजेंट टेंस यूज किया गया है, क्योंकि जो जनरल बात है, एजुकेशन एक प्रोसेस है, ना कि ये पास्ट की बात है ना फ्यूचर की, ना, ठीक है, जनरल है ये, तो प्रेजेंट टेंस यहाँ पे यूज होगा. एजुकेशन इज ए प्रोसेस, वो तो हमेशा रहेगी. प्रेजेंट टेंस, जनरल थिंग के लिए प्रेजेंट टेंस हम यूज करते हैं. सो विच वॉज, तो हेयर इज द मिस्टेक. ओके, तो हेयर वी शुड यूज इज. एजुकेशन इज अ प्रोसेस विच इज डीम्ड टू. सो द रॉन्ग वर्ड इज was, right word is. Which was deemed to develop desirable qualities with people. So what is the mistake here? In people. Mistake of preposition. In people. The need of the quality differs by person to person. The need of the quality differs by person to person. No, in. Mistake is of by. Preposition. Here it should be in. Person to person, place to place, but time to time. Here the mistake is of conjunction. But की place पे we should use and. Okay. The need of quality differs in person to person, place to place, and time to time. So here we have done 2 passages, and I will give you 1 passage for your homework. Okay.